Hello students, today in this video I will explain you exercise 2D. So in this exercise we will do the question based on simplification. That means we have to use the rule of BODMAS. So first question is the exercise 2D. First question, 3a minus b curve bracket a minus 1 minus a curve bracket minus b 1 minus 2a. So this is the question and we have to use BODMAS. First of all we will solve small bracket. So inside the small bracket 1 minus a, both are unlike term. 1 and a both are unlike terms, so we will not be able to solve. Here also both are unlike term. So what we have to do, we will remove this bracket. So 3a as it is minus b curve bracket a. Till a we will write as it is. Now we have to remove this small bracket. So in order to remove this small bracket, we will change the sign. Minus plus minus 1 minus minus plus a. Bracket is removed. This curve bracket we have to write as it is. Now we have to remove this small bracket again. Outside the bracket minus b is written. So minus plus minus b 1 ja b. Minus and minus plus b into 2a will be 2ab. Now in the next step 3a we have to write as it is. Minus b inside the bracket, first of all we will solve. Inside this curl bracket, two terms are like. This is 1a, this is also 1a. Both are having a alphabet, that means these are like term. So minus b we will write as it is. Curl bracket also we will write as it is. We will solve inside this bracket. 1a and 1a answer will be 2a. Minus 1 as it is. Minus b plus 2a we will write as it is. We will write it as it is. Now this bracket we have to remove, curl bracket. So what is written outside this bracket? Minus b. So we have to multiply this minus b with both the terms. So 3a will be as it is. Minus plus minus b into 2a, 2ab. Minus and minus plus b into 1 will be b. Minus b plus 2ab we will write as it is. Now in the next step, here you will observe these two b are having same number but sign are different. This is plus b and this is minus b. So these two things will get cancelled. Here also minus 2ab and plus 2ab. Both are exactly same. The only difference is of sign. Here it is minus and here it is plus. So these two will get cancelled and our final answer is 3a. So like this you have to do question number first. Now we will do another question. Question number fourth question. In question 4th, what we have to do? Question is 12x minus large bracket 3x minus 2y minus curl bracket y minus 2 small bracket x minus 2x plus y. On 2x plus y bar is coming. Now bracket close. So first of all we will not use BODMAS. First of all we have to solve this bar. Bar we will remove. In order to remove this bar we have to change the sign which is coming under this bar. So rest of the things we will write as it is. 12x minus 3x minus 2y minus curl bracket y minus 2 small bracket x minus 2x. In place of plus we will take minus y small bracket close, curl bracket close and large bracket close. So what we have done, in place of this bar we had to change the sign of this plus, we had changed to minus. Now we will solve small bracket, then we have to solve curl bracket and at last we will solve large bracket. So first of all we will solve this small bracket. Inside this small bracket, these two terms are like term. So rest of the things we will write as it is. 12x minus 3x minus 2y minus curved bracket y minus 2 small bracket till small bracket we will write as it is. 1x and minus 2x we will solve it. On solving them we will get minus 1x minus y as it is, small bracket close, curly bracket close, large bracket close. Now inside this small bracket, both are unlike term. This is x alphabet and this is y. So we have to remove this bracket. So rest of the things we will write as it is. Till y we will write as it is. Now we have to open this bracket. So we have to multiply this minus 2 with both the term. Minus and minus plus. 2 1 2 and alphabet also. Minus and minus plus 2 into y 2y. Now curly bracket and large bracket. Now in the next step we will solve this curly bracket. Here two terms are like terms. So these two are like, so we will solve it. 12x minus 3x minus 2y minus curly bracket as it is, plus 1y and plus 2y will be plus 3y plus 2x as it is. Now large bracket. In the next step what we have to do, inside the bracket both are unlike terms, so we will remove this bracket. 12x minus large bracket 3x minus 2y minus plus minus 3y and minus plus minus 2x. Curly bracket we have removed. This large bracket we will write as it is. Now inside this large bracket these two are like term, so we will solve it. 3x minus 2x will be 1x, minus 2y and minus 3y will be minus 5y, bracket close. Now these two are unlike term, so what we will do, we will open the bracket. 12x minus plus minus 1x minus minus plus 5y. On solving it, 12x minus 1x will be 11x plus 5y. So this is the final answer of question number 4. Now another question. Question number 6. We will do question number 6. Sixth question. 10x square minus 3 bracket y square minus x square minus z square bracket close minus 2 curly bracket small bracket x square minus y square plus z square minus z square plus y square curly bracket close. So here also you will observe on this term bar is coming. So first of all what we will do, we will solve bar. So on solving the bar, what you have to do, you have to change the sign which is coming under this bar. So 10x square minus 3 bracket y square minus x square. This minus we will write as plus now. Because of this bar we have to change the sign. Now rest of the things we will write as it is. Now bar is removed. We can use BODMAS. BODMAS means bracket we have to solve first. Which bracket? Small. So here it is a small bracket and here also it is a small bracket. Inside the bracket all three are unlike term. Y alphabet, X alphabet, Z. All three are unlike term. So we will open the bracket. 10x square minus plus minus 3 into y square 3y square minus minus plus 3x square minus plus minus 3 into z square 3z square. Now minus 2 as it is, curly bracket as it is. Inside this bracket, small bracket, all three are unlike term. So we will open this bracket, we will remove the bracket and we will write x square minus y square plus z square, and these terms we will write as it is, curl bracket close. Now small bracket is over. Now we have to solve the curl bracket. Inside this curl bracket you will observe minus y square and plus y square both are having opposite sign. These two will get cancelled. Plus z square and minus z square also will get cancelled. Now 10x square minus 3y square plus 3x square minus 3z square minus 2 bracket x square is the remaining term. Now we will open the bracket. In order to open the bracket we have to multiply them. So rest of the terms as it is. These terms we will write as it is. Minus plus minus 2 into x square is 2x square. Now 10x square plus 3x square will be 13x square. 13 minus 2x square will be 11x square. Minus 3y square as it is. Minus 3z square as it is. So this is your final answer. Why we will not solve it further? Because these three are unlike terms. So like this you have to do question number 6. Now all of you see question number 9. 12a of 1 upon 2 minus 6a square divide 3a plus a plus a. So in this question also we will use BODMAS. First of all we have to solve small bracket. Small bracket is coming there. So rest of the things we will write as it is. A plus a will be 2a. Now after that no bracket is coming here. So after bracket we have to solve off. Off means multiply. So these two terms we have to multiply. 12a multiply 1 upon 2. Rest of the things we will write as it is. First of all we have to solve off. Off means multiply. So solve this multiply first. We have to do this one. 2 6 12. 6 into a 6a minus all the work as it is we have to write. So in place of off we have taken multiply. Now multiply also we have done. That means off work is over. Now after off divide is coming. So we have to divide these two numbers. Minus and plus minus. 3 2 just 6. On dividing 6 with 3 we will get 2. A square divided with a will be a. Rest of the things we will write as it is. Plus 2a also. Now minus 2a and plus 2a both will get cancelled. So final answer is 6a. So like this you have to do question number 9. So now this exercise is over. Rest of the questions you have to do in your homework. And next exercise is the revision exercise. That revision exercise questions are same as I had explained you in the previous exercises. So your homework is you all have to finish this exercise 2D as well as this exercise revision exercise in your fair note.